In this video, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's been causing waves along the beautiful shores of Florida beaches and in much of the Caribbean. We'll explore the remarkable phenomenon of Sargassum Islands and their impact on the local marine ecosystem and beaches. But that's not all. We also have a special treat in store for you, a glimpse of the incredible dolphins frolicking both in the ocean and the Indian River. So, let's dive right in. Beautiful beaches, swaying palm trees, and picturesque waters are what make Florida such a popular tourist destination. But right now, an unexpected visitor has been washing up on these shores: sargassum, a type of seaweed. This brown algae, often referred to as golden floating rainforest, is not only intriguing but also crucial to the marine ecosystem. Here, off the shores of Vero Beach, we currently have islands of it nearing landfall. It is part of the biggest bloom in modern history. While sargassum may seem like a nuisance, it plays a vital role in supporting marine life. These floating mats of seaweed serve as nurseries, providing shelter and protection for countless species. One such species is the majestic dolphin. These intelligent and charismatic creatures are found in abundance along the Florida coast. They're known for their playful nature and remarkable acrobatics. Florida, and specifically here in Vero Beach, isn't just home to dolphins in the ocean. It's also a sanctuary for dolphins in the Indian River, a unique estuary system. This biodiverse habitat provides a safe haven for a variety of marine species, including the beloved Indian River dolphins. That wraps up our exciting journey through the sargassum invasion along the Florida beaches and our enchanting encounter with dolphins in both the ocean and the Indian River. Remember, it's our responsibility to appreciate and safeguard these incredible ecosystems. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep exploring and cherishing the wonders of our natural world.